So we're in a different location today. I've come over to Steph's lovely, what do we call this? Orangery. It's an orangery. Because she's a really busy lady and she's decorating, but we've got something amazing to share with you. We went to Halifax on Saturday and we were called in to see Laura at Sew Different Patterns, who's based in Halifax, because she had a little gift for us and a surprise new pattern. I thought it was one pattern.
I knew it was more.
But you'll find out in a little bit. So it was a lovely sunny day on Saturday, wasn't it?
Do you know, and it was a lovely sunny day last time we drove over. There was snow on the ground last time, but it was still blue skies. Seems like every time we drive over there, and it's such a pretty run, that we get the sunshine and enjoy the views.
Yeah, so
and Christine's driving and I'm going, oh, isn't it beautiful? Look,
does that sound familiar? Why do I always end up driving when we go to Halifax? I don't know. So we called in the Peace Hall first. I'd not been there, and that was quite impressive. Quite an impressive space.
It's an amazing historic building. If anybody fancies a day out, it's worth a look.
Yeah. Then we found a fabric shop, didn't we?
Oh, we did.
But we didn't buy anything.
No,
we bought.
Actually, we didn't, did we? Weren't we good?
Anything.
And there was, I think, 3 pieces of fabric that I was drooling over.
And put them all back.
And I put them all back.
Weren't we good?
It was a good job, I think, really, wasn't it?
Yes. Because we spent a bit of money at Sew Different. Oops.
Oops.
So Laura has launched a Summer Lovin gift box. And we're going to go now to some footage that I took while we were wafting around the summer vibe of Sew Different on Saturday, and then we're going to come back and show you what you get in the box. See you in a minute. So we've got the box, and I'm going to let Steph show you, because she's loving this Summer Lovin box.
Definitely.
Aren't you?
Definitely.
Go on, babe.
Can I show the fabric first?
Yeah, show them the fabric. It's to die for.
Sew Different fabrics are amazing.
Oh my goodness me. Look at that.
It's like she reads our mind and knows our colours.
She does, doesn't she? Because it suits both of us. It's perfect.
There's like a denim-y blue in it and a lovely silvery grey and that gorgeous kind of plummy pink.
And the flowers and the leaves.
It's just beautiful.
It's summer in a fabric,
It certainly is, and it's a beautiful cotton lawn.
Well, I think it's meant to be a cotton poplin, but it's so
it's so such
soft.
A good quality.
I think it's halfway between a lawn and what I class as a poplin.
Yeah.
But beautiful and absolutely perfect for the patterns that we're going to be sewing up in it.
This is so different, literally so different.
So you get 3 metres of this fabric if you want to purchase this box, or you can buy it by the metre as well. You don't have to buy the box.
And you get a nice big reel of matching thread. But these patterns, a dress,
Kaftan?
Guess what else? A hat. A big summer hat and a beautiful beach bag.
Yeah, so you've got a beach bag and you get a sunglasses case as well. I hadn't realised.
Oh, I didn't realise that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So there's 2 sizes of hat, a dress, a kaftan.
See, I don't call that a kaftan.
It's a dress.
It's a dress.
Just a different kind of dress. I suppose if you did it in semi-opaque fabric, you could use it, and did it shorter, you could use it as a kaftan. Maybe. I am going to make a couple shorter ones as kaftans for my holes.
Oh yeah.
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 Yeah, I am.
Just,
so what do we want to
whole
talk? I know it
thing.
just goes on. So there's so much stuff in this magazine. So in the magazine, you get lots of lovely inspo pictures and the instructions of how to make all the garments, the hat, the dress, the kaftan, the bag. And then you also get, if you buy the box, you get all the patterns to go with it. So you're getting a hat, two hats,
a
a
bag,
kaftan, a dress, a bag.
Some glasses, good.
So so you're getting 6 patterns in this box. So you get 6 patterns, 3 meters of fabric, a Summer Lovin magazine, inspiration magazine, and the thread to sew everything up. And we will put links below if you want to treat yourself to a Summer Lovin box. If you think it's a bit pricey, I do understand that. You can buy the fabric and the individual patterns as separate things. So you could just buy the dress pattern and then use fabric from your stash if you want. You're not tied into this box, which is the beauty of it. Most times when they sell boxes, it's the box or nothing. And then you've got to wait and see if they get any extra fabric in. And hope on a wing and a prayer that they have some left. Laura's not doing that with this. You can buy this fabric now. You don't have to buy the box.
And we did. We did.
And we bought some of the fabric because she's got some matching fabric that goes with it, hasn't she?
Yeah, well we bought some more because there's 3 meters there.
We're sharing this box,
yeah.
So obviously you're not going to get far with 1.5 meters each. So we bought some more of the fabric.
But she also had these 2 coordinating fabrics.
Yeah, so she's got a chambray and a striped. It's not denim, is it? It's heavier weight, isn't it? It's a lightweight denim.
Lightweight denim.
Yes, there's a striped lightweight denim and a beautiful chambray that both match with the fabric. So we had to buy some, didn't we?
Of course we did.
Because we want to make them all. We want them all. We're both going on holiday in May. And we want to look the part. Not together, we're going separate, by the way. So
we won't look like twinsies.
No, we can both make these garments and not look ridiculous when we're swanning around, because we won't be together. So let's talk about the patterns, shall we? We'll start with the hat, which isn't me, to be honest, but Steph cannot wait to make this.
I can't wait, I love hats.
And it says, the Summer Lovin sun hat is a stylish and practical addition to your holiday wardrobe. It comes with 2 brim widths, standard and wide. Which one are you having? Wide. We did think I might be able to get away with the standard one, but it buried me, so it's not happening.
The thing is, I probably won't get to wear it.
Hang on, it says, and 2 head sizes, medium and large. So we need to see what sizing that is, because the one I tried on, the problem was it was too flipping big.
And I bet it was the medium.
And I bet it was medium, and they should have done a small for us midgets, but never mind. It has a knotted tie at the front, and at the back there is... All right, and at the back there is a clever split through which you can push your ponytail to get your hair off the back of your neck when things heat up.
Well, yeah, like I'm going to manage that.
I know, but it's a good idea.
It is a good idea, definitely.
I'm well impressed with that. Recommended fabrics for the hat are cotton, linen, chambray and viscose. Interesting.
It was wired.
Oh,
the large hat
has had a wire in it.
Wired, yeah.
Oh, that's going to be an interesting one, isn't it? So the next thing is...
the Summer Lovin beach bag.
I want one of these.
Yeah, it is a nice bag. The Summer Lovin beach bag is a super large tote with 2 interior pockets. It's fully lined with strong, comfortable shoulder straps and a wide depth for all your beach essentials. Make using anything from cotton to corduroy. It uses bump interlining.
The Summer Lovin kaftan. The Summer Lovin kaftan is an easy fit, pull over the head style dress. It has a soft V, side splits and waist tie details for a flexible fit. Easily lengthened from knee length as presented to full length, it gives you the perfect choice to stay stylish from the beach to bar. There are optional frills at the neckline for a feminine touch. I love those frills.
Yes, yeah.
And I love the side ties as well.
Laura had made it in a brocade and it was stunning. It doesn't need to be a kaftan,
No,
it's definitely a dress.
It was a stunning dress in
Yeah,
its
it
own
was.
right.
Yeah.
Very, very versatile,
Yeah,
that, I
very
think.
versatile pattern.
So tell us about the Summer Lovin dress, Steph, because I'm loving it.
The Summer Lovin dress is a classic strappy sundress, perfect for days in the sunshine or evenings sipping cocktail.
Ooh, sounds like me.
Yeah. It has a knotted bra bodice with an underlay for modesty. The back of the bodice has a stretchy panel for a close but comfortable fit. There are large shaped pockets, patch pockets and a panelled skirt.
So, are you loving the dress?
I am loving the dress, and I'm not usually one for strappy dresses. I'm not sure whether it's...
I like the idea that you can add optional fluted sleeves.
like a little cap sleeve on it, and I think that would probably be more me than...
And what you can do, because I've been reading this morning in bed, what you can do is, you don't have to sew those cap sleeves on, you can just put little press studs and have them detachable.
Oh,
so you can have the best of both worlds. So you can have your sleeves on, if you get a bit hot, just whip them off. Get them whipped off.
She's even made a summer songs playlist.
Yes, that you listen to while you're sewing your garments up. I think it's brilliant. Although Copacabana by Barry Manilow's not really my thing. Sorry, Laura. But really nice touch. And then the other thing that she's done is give you a Summer Lovin cocktail that you can drink while you're sewing, if you dare.
That could be dangerous.
And she's given tips for sewing summer fabrics. So if you're a newer sewer, it'll tell you what needles to use, what you can use with slippery fabrics and what you should do with linen. And then she's given you some inspo pictures of different fabrics that you can use if you don't fancy the Summer Lovin fabric. Although I don't know why anybody would not like it. So there we go.
I've seen that page.
Yeah, gives you a bit of idea of other things.
I've got a whole load of beautiful linens I can't wait to sew up.
Oh yeah, they're going to be amazing, aren't they?
But because I've moved house and my sewing room has to be low on the agenda, because I just have to have somewhere comfortable to sit first, which hasn't even happened yet. My sofa comes tomorrow. I've been here a month and I haven't had a sofa to sit on. So then
which one are you sewing first?
I'm going to try the kaftan dress, the kaftan as a dress, I should say. That'll be my first. You're going to try that, aren't you? First.
Yeah, I'm going to, because the Summer Lovin dress looks like it's quite a tight fitting bodice, you need to get the fit right. So I'm just going to mock up the bodice in some scrap fabrics, just some plain cotton fabrics, and see what the fit's right.
You do need to get the fit right on that, because obviously you don't want it gaping away. I'm dubious about that for me. Yeah. It's probably too low at the front for me.
Well, you just need to mock the bodice up, don't you, and see. Because you can alter the straps and have it higher, I'm sure, and lengthen it from there.
Could do.
There will be ways around it. For an expert sewer like Steph, she won't be beaten with this. So yeah, we can't wait to get this done.
I know.
And it's come just at the right time of year when everybody's planning their summer holiday garments. It is perfectly timed. So we said at the beginning, we're both going on holiday, but we're not going together. So the plan is to make some beautiful garments, some Summer Lovin garments for our holidays. And we're not going to show each other them.
Oh, are we not?
No, it's going to be all done.
See, this is all new to me.
I've just
Drop
decided.
things on me all
We're going to do it in secret. And then we'll take some lovely pics of ourselves in our garments that we've managed to make on holiday. And when we come back, it'll be the beginning of June sometime. We're going to come back and see you all and give you a little catwalk and a chat about what we've actually made and how we've found these patterns, because we've not sewn them yet. We love Sew Different patterns, but we'll see how accurate the instructions are. You're going to get a warts and all review. Yeah. So, are you excited now?
I am now, yeah. You can set me a challenge.
Now I've made you do it in secret.
Yeah.
We are actually going to make a start on them both together next Wednesday at our sewing social. And then we're going to go away and do them on our own. So we'll get an idea what we're both doing and bounce ideas off each other at the social, and then go away and get creative. So I can't wait to see yours.
I can't wait to see yours either. No, it'll be interesting.
We'll bob back in June. We might bob back in between if we've got time, but I don't think we will. Do you?
I don't know. I'm getting straight now. I might have a bit more time. I have to start sewing, or else nothing's going to get made for my holiday.
In the perfect world, we'd review each garment as we finished it. But we'll see. Yeah. So let me know if you're loving the Summer Lovin box and if you're going to buy one, because I'm going to be putting the link below.
So this gorgeous weather has got us all excited about making summer outfits and summer dresses, and let's hope it continues. It gets warmer and warmer. Yay!
Should we go outside and have a cocktail now then?
Oh, I'm not sure about a cocktail, but
we've got the ingredients, a Summer Lovin cocktail. Why not? It would be rude not to. Cheers everybody. Bye.
Bye.